Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI, and I want to share with you this backpack that is actually a camera bag. I love this bag because of the color. It's such a pretty pink, and the material is a nice canvas which feels very durable. I also love this bag because I can take it wherever I go, no matter what kind of photo shoot I'm on. Plus, it has a cover to protect your bag in any kind of weather. And when you open up the front of the bag, it's actually very padded, so it protects your camera. You have a ton of space. It has a bunch of different sections that are interchangeable. They are Velcro, so you can change it up however you need. The top part of the bag is so deep and spacious, even an extra little pocket that you can put other things. The back is well padded. Under that padding is actually another pocket where you can put a laptop. That's my point of view.